See, the thing is that our work is a missionary work, and you cannot achieve your goals within a short period of time. None of the religious organizations or the prophets achieved their goal within a short period of time or even in their lifetime. So we believe that as the time goes on, and we are seeing the result. Every year, hundreds and thousands of people are joining us from among Muslims, from pagans, from other religions. So gradually and slowly we are growing. And one day we shall, inshallah, be recognized by the people of the world. Even we are being recognized today. This is why you are here.
Well, indeed, I am. And I'm learning so much.
See, that one man who started his community from a small town, small village even, is Qadian in India, remote part of India where there was no access of road or rail or anything. And his community is now has spread over 200 countries. So we are growing. As we are growing, or we hope one day, but majority will accept Ahmadiyya Islam, and those who will not, at least they will stop opposing us furiously as they are doing it now.
Right.